Okay, so here's the deal, right? I gotta put 2 more screws in this damn thing, right? So here's the deal. Show you what this thing does, right? First, let me show you this. Okay, so this is a Badger 500 with half horsepower. Maybe we need a 250 with a quarter horsepower. I don't know, right? But I gotta run downstairs quickly so you can see what happens. See, I raised that one, it's not coming out of that one. But now that's what, there's nothing I can do, I'll mop it up. Alright? Now, what I'm trying to figure out is, see how I got the curve? That was that shoot, right? See how I got the curve there? Right? But the curve is going opposite of the grain. But how does it back through there? Anyway, enough of that. You see how that's a straight piece? No curve, that's a curve. That's a straight piece. Maybe I need to revert that to a straight piece. Or, all right, and there's no water coming out of there. That's where I raised the cheater valve. So, do I go with the straight over here and see what happens? Or do we gotta cut it down to a 250, Badger 250 with the 1/4 horsepower?